Hello and welcome to this tutorial on setting up Node.js application using Docker. So in this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a Node.js application and running it inside Docker container. So the first step is to install Docker. So the first step is to install Docker on your computer. Docker is available for Windows, Mac and Linux, and you can download it from the official Docker website. Now we'll set up new Node.js project. So I've already made a folder yt node. Now I will open a terminal and I'll initialize using npm init. So what it'll do is make a package.json file for me. Alright, you can see. So after that, what I will do is I will also need express, so I'll use express, npm install express. So yeah, it has already added express here. So we'll also need one file, index.js, which will be our file for showing the web page. Okay, so we'll use that like that. So what we can do here is we can use express. We'll require it from package express. All right, so when we do localhost slash or our domain slash, I want it to return something like hello world. So I will say respond.send hello from Docker node application. All right, so after that I will say app.listen. We want to listen in 3000 port. And we'll say app running on 3000 port. Alright, so let's start the application using normal node. So what we'll do is node index.js. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, app.get. You must see the console. They must be. Okay, so let's open at first localhost 3000. And you can see my application has already started. I must see the console log. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Sorry. Done console log, yeah, console.log. Now when I start, it will say app running on 3000 port. So it already started. So now what we want to do is, currently we are doing starting our application using node command, right? But what I want to do is I want to start using Dockerfile. So next step will be, give me a second. So we have created node application. Now we want to create a Docker file. So with capital D and small f of file, we will make a Docker file. So inside Docker file, what we can do is from node, our node will pull the image of node 14 and we'll set the work directory of container, to /app. Also we want to copy package.log and package.json file to the container, and after that I will run the command npm install, and after that I will copy everything from the current folder to the root of the work directory, that is app of the containers. So anything of this folder will be copied to the work directory, okay, to the slash app of container. Now I want to run command npm start, but this command is not available to us. So what we can do is go to the package.json file, and what we will do here is inside the script we can say on start run command index.js. so we must be able to use npm start now. So let's, instead of node index.js, we can do now npm start. See, so our app is running. So but using Dockerfile we want to run, okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so do is, so let's also don't know whether it will run or not, but we'll try. Okay, so what I will do is docker, I need to do sudo docker build -t dot build -t. Okay, sorry. Instead of using docker command, we'll use one docker compose file. In this way it will be more clear. So I'll make a docker file and I will give it a version of 3. Inside docker file, so it is using YAML for writing codes. Okay, so it will have multiple services. Inside we'll say web, and we want to build anything inside this current folder, and our volumes, we want to do volume mapping. Let's try it. Sudo docker compose up -d -- build. So we need to wait for a few seconds. It is saying from node 14 is pulling the node 14 image. Okay, so it is saying done. So now I want to see what are our containers running currently. So sudo docker compose ps, you can see yt node web 1 is running. Yt node is our folder name and web is our service name. Okay, so we want to see, so it is not running in any ports, you can see. So I missed one thing here. We have to add networks and anything, and we want to listen 3000 port. Okay, so let's try it again. I know why this dog barks too much. So networks, sorry, ports. You can see it is running on 3000 ports. So let's start here, let's see. Okay, it's good. So what if I change the file? Hello from Docker node application. Fine. Make proper volume mount to update our folder at the same time. Let's see how it works. Yeah, you can see it here. Okay, so that's how we use Docker to set up node application. So thank you for watching our video. Thank you.